Hi, my name's Ron Fox. I'm from Harlow in Essex, which is obviously in England, in the UK. My journey has been, you could say, a short journey, but for me it's been quite a long journey because I was trying to decide to do my teeth over the last 2 or 3 years. And so I was very indecisive about whether I should come or not. The other driving factor was the concern over my budget and also the quality of the service and the dentures that you sort of finally come away with. Probably the same as everybody has, and people behind this camera. But Dental Wise reached out through Instagram, and I sort of jumped on them, did a lot of research and Googled lots of other dental practices in and around Turkey and Antalya. And I have to say, by far, Dental Wise came first in everything, to be fair. Sort of 4.9, 4.95 score out of 5. And every comment that I read was above excellent, or very good, as compared to others. So my first engagement with Dental Wise was through WhatsApp, and one of the customer services ladies called Veronica, who looked after me from my very first engagement. My very first message was very warm, very welcoming, more important, very understanding. And so we had a good discussion about what it might cost, and we spoke about various plans that are on offer. And key here is, for me, I was dead keen on having all my teeth out, having all on 6. I'd have 6 implants here, 6 implants at the top and bottom, and having full dentures. That was where I was at the time back in the UK. So that was fine, and we agreed a budget, and we was all good. And I came over in Boxing Day, Christmas, in December last year. And when I got here and we did the 3D scans, and the machinery here, by the way, and equipment that you see in Dental Wise is far away from the equipment and the stuff that you see in the UK. It is of the top professional, quality tools that they use and equipment that they use. So I did the 3D scan in my head. I had a chat with the dentist, who was absolutely fantastic. I think there was a surgeon there as well, maybe a doctor, because I'd asked to be anaesthetised for the first visit because of my fear of dentists. So that is an offering to you if you wanted to choose that. And the plan changed. So because my teeth were actually quite good, and I thought they were really bad, they're actually quite good, quite a few of them. And the dentist said, look, we don't want to pull out good teeth just for the sake of it, They want to tailor something to your individual needs, right? To what you need to make you have the best smile possible. But also, for me, is to keep you on budget. So the big driver for me was the budget. Is it going to cost more, less? Where is it going to be? If I change the plan now, what's it going to happen? Well, look, I can tell you, sitting here now, 4 months, 5 months later, the budget was absolutely perfect. They worked with me, they went out, they had a chat, came back, we spoke about what we could do, and now I have full zirconium crowns, top and bottom, with 6 implants. So it's been a fantastic journey. And on the second visit, where I am now today, I've been here for, I think it's 6 days. The first visit was 3 days. And you're brought in the day after you land, and my teeth were worked on. And the next day I had temporaries. I had temporaries from the first day, then went away, had a break, come back, tried the teeth, went away again, come back, and today I think finally is the finished product. So overall, I have to say the quality of the implants is second to none. The zirconium crowns are fantastic. They are top drawer. They're probably the best you can get. The dentistry, the skill of the dentist is phenomenal. The guy that did my teeth, he also designed the teeth as well. So that skill is just second to none. You don't get that anywhere that I know, certainly not in the UK dentists. So it's very special. And Dental Wise give you the complete package, but I suppose really wrapping this up is they care. They do an individual plan to suit your budget. They look after you all the way, from the UK all the way to Turkey, look after you while you're here, and the service is excellent, and you come away with exactly what you wanted, which is a great smile. So thank you very much, Dental Wise.